Using the box and guides already prepared, insert the guides into the drill end plates and lift box and guides up to the opening. Clamp to secure. Drill and fix the top hole only. Use a spirit level to make sure you are happy that the guide is level. Once the guide is level, secure the bottom fixing. Check again that the guide is level, then fix the remaining fixings in place. Repeat the process for the second guide rail on the opposite side. Remove the clamps. Finish attaching the box by fixing the end plate using all of the 3 slots provided. Repeat on the opposite side.